How to create zero gravity account. So if you want to create zero gravity account, then first of all you need to open up your browser and then go for the search bar and search for zero gravity sign up. And after that, here it will take you to this zero gravity which has create your account. You can simply click on that. And here you can choose any one of these options and click on get started. In here you will have 3 steps. So on the first step you need to enter your personal information. So simply enter your title, your first and last name, and then your email address. And after that again you have to confirm your email address by again entering it, and then click on next. And now here you have to enter your school name and your job role and how did you find out about zero gravity. And after entering the information, again click on next. And here this is the last step. You have to review your information and then you have to create a password. And here again you have to create or you have to confirm the password which you have entered above. And after entering your password or after creating it, you can click on the box so that you agree to the terms and conditions, and then you have to click here so that you can verify. And after verifying, now simply enter your password and then click on submit. And that's it. That's how you create your zero gravity account. Now what you can do is you can simply open up your mail and then you can verify to your account so that you can use your account. Here you will have your mail, right? So click on confirm my account. And now you can enter your email address and then your password and you can sign into your account. So that's it. That's how you create your zero gravity account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.